Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 of the top best shaders for Minecraft. Before we begin, if you'd like to download any of the shader packs featured in this video, all of the download links will be in the description down below. And if you don't know how to install shaders, there will be a quick tutorial at the end of this video. Now, without further ado, let's begin. For the first shader pack on the list, we have the BSL shaders. This shader pack gives your Minecraft game an atmospheric feel that truly brings the world to life. BSL shaders include real-time shadows, volumetric light, ambient occlusion, bloom, customizable clouds and water, as well as built-in anti-aliasing. Also, a few other additional effects added with these shaders are depth of field, motion blur, specular and normal mapping, cell shading, world curvature, and more. And all of these effects can be customized however you prefer. For the next shader pack, we have Silder's Shaders. Silder's Shaders is actually my all-time favorite shader pack. I use those shaders all the time because of how much I love the way it makes your Minecraft world look vibrant and truly just adds in so much life to the game. Silder's completely revamps the lighting system of Minecraft and also adds in advanced effects such as volumetric lighting, ambient occlusion, and reflections while still maintaining high performance. Next up, we have Sonic Ether's Unbelievable Shaders. Those shaders are absolutely incredible and definitely help spice up your game by adding an ethereal feel to your world. There are currently 2 available versions to those shaders. We have the regular shaders and we also have the renewed shaders. The renewed shaders is a revamp of the legacy versions that brings you quality visuals at a reasonable performance. It's a huge upgrade from the original legacy shader packs by Sonic Ether's Unbelievable Shaders. Before I move on to the rest of the shader packs, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can enjoy more content from Server.pro and never miss a new video. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. Next, we have Cuda shaders. Cuda shaders may seem like just an average shader pack, however that's not the case at all. This shader pack adds outstanding effects, realistic shadows, and a completely new lighting system. The lighting effects are worth mentioning, which you will see during heavy storms. The water looks much more lively as it creates waves and reflects the sky. The sky is also graphically completely new. If you look at your sky during the day, you will notice authentic clouds, whereas at night, realistic stars shimmer in the sky as the moon circles around your game environment. For the final shader pack of this video, we have the Choco shaders. Unlike many lightweight shader packs, Choco shaders try to maintain a decent quality level even at the lowest possible preset. The high-end presets are able to run at around 80 to 100 FPS and over 120 FPS on a simple scene while offering high-quality visuals. Those shaders added many features such as dynamic day cycles, volumetric clouds, a high dynamic range lighting system, and more. And now I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to install shaders for Minecraft Java Edition. First, you need to choose the shaders you wish to use. In my case, I'm going to be using Silder's shaders, so I'm going to go over to the website and download it. Now that you have the shaders downloaded, you're going to need to install Optifine. If you'd like a more detailed tutorial and step-by-step explanation on how to install Optifine correctly, you can click the eye in the top right corner or the link in the description, which will lead you to a video tutorial on how to do so. Now that you have Optifine successfully installed, you're going to go over to your shader packs folder on your computer. You can do this through Minecraft by going to Options, Video Settings, Shaders, and then open Shaders folder. Or if you're on Windows, you can go over to that folder by typing %appdata% on the bottom left search bar, and then hit enter and go into the .minecraft folder, and then select the shader packs folder. After you have the shader packs folder open, just add these shaders to that folder, and then apply it in game. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to try out these shaders for yourself and perhaps along with some friends, check out Server.pro using the link in the description down below. Until next time!